Let's check out these awesome conquerors of the sky, majestically challenging gravity. The peacock, the original cloud seeker, the OG attention grabber. Meet the terrifying cassowary, the world's most dangerous bird. The sheer power and precision of the fishing eagle on display, diving down to grab its prey. Pecking at a rate of up to 20 times per second, the woodpecker makes light work of this tree trunk. How about having a race with this modern-day dino, reaching speeds that make even the fastest athletes doubt themselves? Subscribe for more.